Alright, we're about to just to start mount this motor. We cut out our unnecessarily long pieces here. Just makes it a little shorter. We're going to shove it back behind this nut. Keep this piece tight up against the frame here. And then we're going to tighten it up. That way it can kind of be held square with the frame a little better. There you go. And so what we're going to do, our first weld, is going to be right from this. Whoa! Gotta watch it, it's a little heavy on one side now. We'll balance it out with the battery in a minute. But we're going to weld this bracket right to here, just real quick. Maybe. I mean, that in and of itself probably would be strong enough, but I always wrap for this next part to make another video. We're going to wrap some of this 1/2 inch round bar from here to here and from here to here. And this will do two things. It'll make this mount much stronger and it'll provide me a spot to mount the battery. So it's kind of a dual purpose thing here.